Guys, let's do the walking down the stairs for them to fix this place while we are having reviews. Guys, please. Double time, double time, double time. Please get the food. Okay, how about you? What can you say about the movie?
Kulong ang masama.
Kulong ang masama and then...
The present.
Mm-mm.
Then,
Can you please be serious?
acting on actors.
Louder voice.
My favorite acting is
Ano?
Sofia Pablo, Glenda Ramos, Dennis Chili, and Rora Madrid.
Anong naintindihan mo sa kwento?
Maging writer siya.
What?
Maging writer siya.
There's a sound in there, so let's finish this one. So how about you? I'll be right back with you. Hold on, there's a sound. So what can you say about the movie? Hold on, don't do... What I'm trying to say is, don't go downstairs because there's a sound out there. I maybe have a copyright claim for this video, if ever it will hear in here. If they will hear the sound in here. Okay guys, so what can you say about the movie? Let's do this quick. Helen, come over here, please. Compress. What can you say about the movie?